today we will deal with electrochemistry. Electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? The branch of chemistry which gives quantitative relationships between chemical process and electricity. Chemical process and electricity. What are the important topics in the electrochemistry? One, the first and most important one is electrolysis products, electrolysis products and Faraday's laws. Next, electrical types of electrical conductivity. Types of electrical conductivity. Types of electrical conductivity. Types of electrical conductivity and Kohlrausch law and its applications. Kohlrausch law and its applications. Kohlrausch law and its applications. Next, third important topic is electrode potentials. Electrode potentials and Nernst equation and applications of electrochemical series. Electrochemical series. Next, fourth point is types of the cells. And fifth one is corrosion passivity. These are the 5 side headings which we have to concentrate. The last 4 and 5th one is only theoretically we can expect theoretically based questions from the types of the cells and corrosion and passivity. Here in the first 3 topics we can expect theoretical as well as numerical questions from the first 3 topics: electrolysis products and applications of Faraday's laws, types of electrical conductivity and Kohlrausch laws applications, electrode potential, Nernst equations, applications of electrochemical series. In these first three topics we can expect theoretical as well as numerical questions. In the 4th and 5th topics we have to focus on the theoretical questions on the 4th and 5th topics. To start with electrolysis products and Faraday's laws. So to solve numericals based on Faraday's laws, a student is expected to have complete knowledge regarding the nature of the products that are going to be obtained at cathode and the anode. That is highly essential. Now what is the point? What are the important points to be remembered regarding the electrolysis products? We get electrolysis of the products when more than one ion reach the electrode. What happens during the electrolysis? Cations will undergo reduction at the cathode, anions will undergo reduction at the anode. When more than one ion reach the respective electrode, the ion with less discharge potential will get discharged in preference to the other ion. In case of cations, discharge potential. What is discharge potential? The potential required for the discharging of the ion that reach the electrode. Discharge potential of the cation is directly proportional to the electropositive character. What does it mean? Higher the electropositive character of the cation, greater will be the discharge potential, and it is difficult to be reduced. And in case of anions, discharge potential is directly proportional to the is related to the electronegative character. Higher the electronegative character, higher the electronegative character, higher will be the discharge potential and more difficult for such ions to get discharged. This is the basic point we have to remember.